Audiobooks are getting popular day by day as it's making easier than ever before to fit books in our schedule in new ways, like when you're cooking or commuting, you can listen to a detective story or a beautiful poem. There are many audiobook apps in the market that offer these services and it becomes imperative to see which ones provide the best experience. Today, we'll be checking out 5 best audiobook apps that everyone should use. The apps that you'll see today are available for both Android and iOS platforms. So, let's see them. Owned by the tech giant Amazon, Audible is one of the famous audiobook apps in this space. It has a mammoth library of over 500,000 audiobooks, including the bestsellers such as Atomic Habits, Normal People, and many more. You get the option to return or exchange an audiobook if you don't like one. To access the audiobooks, you'll have to choose between 5 membership options. Either you subscribe to the standard plan, which is the plus version of $795 per month, which gives you access to audiobooks from their Plus catalog consisting thousands of Audible originals, podcasts, and select audiobooks. However, you're not given any discounts and neither allowed to download or keep any audiobook. Whereas their Premium Plus plan of $1495 per month will give you 1 credit per month to purchase one audiobook from entire Audible store, irrespective of the cost of the book. Then give you access to their Plus catalog, good discounts on audiobooks, and you'll be able to retain the book in your account even after cancelling the subscription. If you want more credits with the same benefits, then you may opt for the $22.95 per month plan, which gives you 2 credits, or you may look into their annual plans, which is slightly cheaper than their monthly plans. In case you have the Amazon's Prime subscription, then you'll be able to get 2 credits to redeem 2 audiobooks, but that is only available when you take the free trial. Overall, it's a good experience, and I wish Amazon could have offered more benefits for its Prime members who opt for the Premium Plus plan, such as 5 credits every 3 months or something like that. LibriVox is the next audiobook app for those people who are comfortable listening to old audiobooks and not looking for latest releases. The platform has a decent collection with more than 50,000 audiobooks such as Sherlock Holmes, The Invisible Man, A Tale of Two Cities, which can all be downloaded and played for free. Their audiobooks have been converted from books that are available in the public domain for free of charge and have been recorded by volunteers who have read them. Similarly, you can also volunteer and start reading and record the chapters of the books that are in the public domain. One can listen to each chapter without having to download them and are available in different languages. The UI of the app is very simple and is easy to search for books using the keyword, title, or author. These audiobooks can be played in offline mode as well. The biggest plus about this service when compared to its peers is that it doesn't involve any subscription plan. Although you'll come across ads in the free version, but it can be removed by paying a small amount of money. Scribd is one of the most popular audiobook services as it has around 40,000 audiobooks and has one of the cheapest subscription costs when compared to the rest of the platforms. Their collection does offer popular titles, New York Times best-selling titles, and all the books that you wish to listen to. Their membership plan of $11.99 per month allows you to listen as many audiobooks as you choose to and gives the exposure to many popular titles, which is somewhat difficult on other platforms. On the downside, you cannot own any audiobook and neither do you get a lifetime access to an audiobook, which is disappointing. But if you're looking for a cheap option, then this service can be considered. Google Books are known for having a great collection of ebooks, and recently they added the audiobooks feature, seeing the high demand. They have a good number of audiobooks that can be purchased for a price, and some are available for free. These audiobooks are owned by you and you'll have the option to listen to them in offline mode. To avail these services, you simply have to find the audiobook and buy it. Unlike others, they do not have any subscription model, and the company does offer decent discounts on most of the titles, so that should help you. Now, even though they might not be the best store if you want to listen to bestsellers or latest releases, Google is known for the superb innovations, and over here they've done the same with ebooks. The company has added an auto narration feature for all the ebooks that don't have an audio service. Users will have the option to choose from 6 different narrator voices as per the dialect. With this move, more ebooks will become audiobooks and is a good way to enjoy most of the titles.
From what I could tell, a newly constructed deck wrapped around the front of the place and there was a large storage shed just beyond the house.
The final app in our list is Storytel. The app has more than 350,000 audiobooks and ebooks, from novels to short stories and poems for all ages. The app has many bestsellers and new releases such as The Alchemist, a popular book among fantasy and sci-fi community, or if you're a fan of the popular American TV show The Office, then you'll like the recently released audiobook The Office BFFs. Now, while trying out the app, I found two great features about it. First is the availability of short stories, which is very beneficial when you aren't in a mood to read or listen to a novel and want something light. Secondly, the service automatically syncs a user's progress with both audiobook and ebook, making it easier to switch between the two versions. For instance, if you close an audiobook in the middle of a chapter and later switch to reading the ebook, the app will open the exact page and highlight the line where you last left on your audiobook. This process works vice versa as well, that is when you switch from an ebook to audiobook. Now, there are no fixed plans for a region and it will vary based on the markets of different countries. Like in Netherlands and Denmark, there are 3 plans: an unlimited plan, a family plan and a family plus plan, which cost between €12.99 per month and €19.99 per month with different benefits. Whereas Italy has 2 types of plans, with the unlimited plan starting from €9.99 per month and an unlimited plus plan starting from €14.99 per month. But unfortunately, there is nothing for people who live in countries that are not mentioned in the website. These are the 5 best audiobook apps that I recommend and hope the differences laid out in the video will help you find the ideal audiobook app. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.